don't you fight the feeling. And more I need, basta nawawala. Kaiba ang tawag ko sa'yo. Let's go. Kaiba ang tawag ko sa'yo.
Sa inyong favorite Viva Arcada Stars, palakpakan naman natin silang lahat.
Yes,
Visiting na tayo. Okay, thank you so much, Ayala Malls Fairview Terraces, for welcoming us here. Salamat po sa lahat ng umaten. Ayun. Thank you so much.
Bago matapos ang lahat, maraming salamat again to Ayala Malls Fairview Terraces for being the venue of Viva Beauty today. Thank you so much sa ating mga fans sa pagiging welcoming and supportive sa buong programa natin. Napakasaya ng crowd today. Simula umpisa hanggang sa dulo. Sinamahan niyo kami. At ang daming fans na pumunta. Talagang na-appreciate namin kayo.
Yes, grabe. Hindi nyo kami binigo today. At dahil dyan, please follow Viva Beauty on all of their social media platforms. Don't forget that we are also available for direct order. Meaning, pwede po kayong mag-same day delivery sa amin. Just call or message the Viva Beauty hotline. And of course, we would also like to take this opportunity with what's happening around right now.
Guys, let's keep quiet first.
let's keep quiet
Can we
first.
have some minute of silence? Can we, medyo may konting kaseryoso ang isasabihin namin.
Yes, alam naman po natin, we're all aware with what's happening right now sa ating bansa at gusto lang po natin sabihin na on behalf of Viva One and Viva, wala po man kami sa kalsada ngayon. Kasama niyo po kami sa pakikibaka. Nakikisa po kami sa paninindigan para sa ating bansang Pilipinas. Magkita-kita po tayo ulit.
At saka hindi laging madaling manindigan, pero bawat maliit na hakbang ng pagiging tapat at makatao ang magiging parte sa mas malaking pagbabago. Huwag mawalan ng pag-asa, tuloy ang laban nating mga Pilipino, tuloy ang pangarap para sa mas maliwanag at bukas na Pilipinas.
Nagkita-kita po tayo ulit sa next Viva Beauty Mall Tour at Festival Mall sa October 5. Ayan, register numbers. That's by checking out the details sa official social media accounts ng Viva Beauty.
Again, nagpapasalamat po kami sa Ayala Malls. In behalf of all our Viva artists na nandito ngayon, maraming salamat po.
Kanin na dalawan. Yan ang photo op na tayo, everyone! Photo op. One more. Okay, may video lang tayo, guys. Ayan, line lang kayo. Hi! 1, 2, 3, hi! Okay, crowd shot tayo, guys. Okay, once again, we all here, Robin Angeles, Angela Fuji, GAT, Frost Sandoval, Sarah Jo, and Rafa Victorino.
So habang nag-photoshoot sila, siguro we can make announcements para sa photo op natin, correct?
Yes, go visit.
Okay, reminder lang to everyone eligible for the photo op today. We have an official photographer. So ibig sabihin po, hindi po tayo magsiselfie at wala pong personal photos na allowed habang kasama po natin ang ating mga artists. Autographs are also not allowed. Phones must be put away and will be checked back before your turn to have your photo op. If you have gifts for the artist, makibigay lang po sa ating mga taga-Viva. Alright? At the official photos of this photo op will be available in the official Facebook account of Viva Beauty. Kaya abangan ninyong lahat after this event. So, nag-gets niyo ba yun? Make
Yes.
sure that we follow the
Okay,
instructions
wait lang po.
para hindi rin masyadong magkagulo para doon sa ating photo op.
Tama. Ayun, Miss Cindy, may video lang tayo dito.
Okay.
Oo.
Alright,
Video lang
guys.
tayo, guys.
Video
Ayan.
muna. Right, everyone, stare at the video. Siguro,
Okay.
pakinggan natin ng one last
Yes.
time mga ating crowd.
At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Pinipiyok na ako.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you,
So,
everyone.
question na muna yung ating mga artists at what.
Thank you po. Thank you po, Magdas. Thank you. Once again,